Alright, for this video, I'm going to show you how to take these foam pumpkins that you can get at any craft store, Walmart, wherever, and turn it into something pretty awesome for your automotive enthusiast friends and family. This one I have pre-carved. I made the Mustang tri-bar emblem and the Mustang grill emblem. Pretty cool. Now, to do this project, for this one, this plain one, I'm going to do the Ford logo script. Yeah, I know, I'm a Ford guy. I'm gonna get a lot of hate, but it's all I could afford, right? So you're gonna need your pattern, and I use this black carbon paper to trace the pattern onto the pumpkin before I carve it. That makes it a lot easier because you don't have to follow the dots. You just follow the line that you traced onto the pumpkin. It makes it a lot easier. A lot of people don't know that trick. Now, this year I found out something new. I used to use the little poke saws for these pumpkins, and they make a mess. You get foam carvings everywhere, and more often than not, you'd break. If you're working on something delicate, you'd break the pumpkin off, and then you just have to throw the pumpkin away and start over again. This year, somebody pointed me to get a soldering iron, or what they call a hobby tool. It's this thing right here. The soldering iron comes with these little tips, and now I'm going to tell you, the one that works the best that I've found is this one right here. Looks like an X-Acto blade. And focus. It's this blade right here. Looks like an X-Acto knife. Alright. Now, when you plug in this and get started, it will cut through these foam pumpkins like butter. I mean, it is the easiest thing I have ever used on these things. Now, I'm gonna carve, and then I'll show you the end result later. Alright, this is what you want it to look like once you got your stencil drawn on. Okay, this is before you start cutting. Alright. You can see it just lightly on there. It doesn't really need to be dark, but it's your preference as to how dark you want it. Alright, I've finished up the carvings on these pumpkins. Of course, this one was already carved. Look at it lit up. It looks so neat, doesn't it? Alright, now, for lighting these pumpkins, I like to use these little tap lights they sell at Amazon. Of course, this is not an endorsement. This is just my product preference. See, you can change the color of the light, and then you can set it to just cycle the colors. Now, the grand reveal. This is what the Ford one looks like. Neat, huh? Bonus, carved a Ford truck into it. And a Dodge muscle car. Happy Halloween!